What I'm about to show you in this video are all practical tips that I have used and implemented in the last 7 days, and they worked for my channel. I got to my 1000 subscribers just yesterday, and these are the tips that I have been telling you on my channel, and you have seen other creators tell you. But what you should know is that many of all these creators, and also me, I have not told you how you can be able to get viral videos on this your short collaboration, so that you can get subscribers. Because once your video goes viral, you'll be able to get subscribers. Look at this video right here. I posted them in the last 7 days, and they have all gone viral because of this simple method that I implemented. But then I was posting the same videos without using this strategy, and I was not getting any subscriber, maybe one or two or three, and I was not going to meet my threshold this way. What was going to happen is that I was going to be posting a lot of shorts, which I do not want for my channel. I did not want to post a lot of shorts on this channel. I just wanted to post 10 to 15 shorts and get to my 1000 subscribers. Before now, if you know, I have been struggling to get 1000 subscribers for the past 5 months I've been on YouTube. I was on 680 subscribers before I was able to get this strategy and then use it. I have thought about this strategy on my channel before. Now, if you can watch this video to the very end and implement all these strategies I'm about to show you in this video, you are going to get your 1000 subscriber in the next 7 days. And if you do not get it, come back to my channel and unsubscribe, because that is how sure I am about this new strategy that I just find out. Now,
watching this video.
so when you go here, you are going to see this blogger. You are going to go to all his videos that he has created. You can see that he has a latest. You can still go to his shorts that has 112k. You can do this and still get views. It just depends on how you react to the short. Now, the first thing I'm going to be showing you, the first point is use viral collab. This is a viral collab. You go to the female version. Look at her own here. This one is the one that many of you know that other creators have told you about. So these are a viral collaboration. These are viral, videos. 16 million, 10 million. So this is what you should be concentrating on. Then I was able to, now before I go into the second point, which is making your videos less than 30 seconds, let me show you something that is going on here. Let me show you something. So this is how you are going to, this is my shorts. This is my shorts. This is how I was able to get a lot of views on my shorts. Look at the last 7 days. This is 24k, this is 25k, this is 29k, this is 9.2k, this is 1.4k. I uploaded this one I'm wearing black shirts. I uploaded this to yesterday. So this is day before yesterday. That's 29 and 25. Look at what I did. I was reacting seriously to these videos. Now look at the other one that got me another viral video. This is 20k. This one right here is 20k. So what I'm trying to say is that other shots can give you, but you can see the way I did it. I'm giving it a lot of drama. Now what you should do is that you should make your shots
If I say your
you should make your shots less than 15 to 20 seconds long. Now look at this video. Less than 20 seconds, 27, 30 seconds long. Now this is another one. This one that let me show you this one.
if I say
This one is less than 20 seconds long also. The one that went viral.
if I say
This
your
one
brother
this one is less than 15 seconds long. That is how you are going to get maximum results. You know why? Look at this. I'm going to be showing you why you are going to get
if I
maximum
say
results for this. You are going to go click on here, analytics. Then you are going to see this short got 20.3k more than usual, and it got me 19 subscribers. Now
if I say your
let me show you another of my viral shots.
if your name starts with any letter,
Now look at this one. Now this is your first shot to reach 500 like amazing, and you can see I got 500
if your
likes.
name starts with any
Sorry, I got 500 likes on this shot. I got 23.5k, and I got 70 subscribers, 3 shares, and you see comments here. I'm going to this one I'm going to you
if your
need to
name
watch this video today so you will know why they are commenting on this shot. Now when you have made your video 20 seconds or 30 seconds longer, like 30 seconds below longer, do not make it 3 minutes long. Then the third point is to react properly. Now let me show you this video I did yesterday.
If I say your name, you have to leave the video. It's almost impossible that your name isn't on this list. Let's start with the most popular names. Say goodbye, Jacob and Emma. It was
Look at the way I'm reacting to this video. I'm reacting like I am invested in the video. Now look at my viral video.
If I say your name, you're out of the video. I'm pretty sure your name is on this list. Let's start strong. Ethan, why are you still here? You're out. Anaya,
Please go
if
and
I
watch.
say your name,
Watch
you're out.
the video is still on my channel. Watch the way I was reacting to this video. I was reacting properly to this video. Reacting properly to this video. And now you are going to spark a conversation. Now let me show you this my viral video.
Don't say.
Now, I watched the video to the very end before I look for what to spark a conversation with. I wrote, comment if you choose 6-7. Then you can see comments here. People commented based on what I wrote there. Some people commented 1, some people commented 4, 6, some people commented 9. Do you see? You are sparking a conversation. Now, let me show you this one.
If I say your name,
I said commented your name, and you can see the comment here, 86 comments. Many people commenting about their name. That is what is going to grow the shorts and it's going to give you a lot of views. Now you can see this is 29.4 views, 29.4k views. Now I did it here again, the same
it's impossible.
thing. I asked a question, did you see him? And few people responded, but I got a lot of likes. You see, it depends on how you use this short to your advantage. You are going to get and a lot of subscribers. Now look at the subscriber I got from here alone. This is practical example. I'm not here to come and show you this. I'm showing you what worked on my channel. Look at this right there. 96. This is already 100 subscribers. If you are looking for 100 subscribers to add to your subscribers, and he's still getting subscribers, if you keep leaving it, how you know he's still getting more views is this plus sign, plus 24205. In the last 48 hours, he's still going to keep getting views.
It's impossible.
Now let's go to, after sparking a conversation, then the most important point here is to notice that is, look at this my short. Now you can see there's a thumbnail on my short. How do you know there's a thumbnail? This video right here, let me put it in this
If
video.
I say your
Now I'm going to go to the editing of this video. Like I'm going to edit this video. When you are trying to upload your video, this is the thumbnail of my video. This thing particular right here is the thumbnail of my video, where I place the thumbnail right to where my face is like reacting smilishly and seriously to the video. Now I'm going to click on that pencil icon here and edit the thumbnail. Now this, you can see that I've already placed the thumbnail to where it is before. Now this is what I did here. See, I placed the thumbnail right here and I saved it. If you click on this mark button here, you're going to save it. And if you want, after placing it here, you can still write something else again here. When you click on this A button, you can still write subscribe. So this is what anybody that is seeing that is viewing your video is going to see this immediately. So when you click on this mark button right here, it's going to save it. Now you can see my thumbnail right here now. Is saying subscribe, comment your name. And that's bring me to my last point, which is the title and hashtag. In the title, I also did a call to action, comment your name and subscribe. And I also put the hashtag that resonates with the video and is going to make the video go viral. I put short feed, short, those are hashtags that are going to explode your video and put your video in the short feed so that other people can see your video. And also, this video has already been uploaded, so when it has already been uploaded, this description is going to come out to add a description. You can either add a description or not, and you can invite a collaborator. You can collaborate with your second channel, and while this video is getting a all the subscriber that it needs, your other channel will also be getting subscribers. Now you can save this. Now if I save this, you will see that the thumbnail is going to show on my video.
if I say
Now let me go back. See, look at the thumbnail as shown here. Look at it here. It has shown. So that is just all you need to have. Strategies I've already given you. It's very, very easy. React properly, put a thumbnail, spark a conversation, and then make your shorts less than 20 minutes long. And pick the most relevant parts of the short video you want to collaborate with. Make it more than less than 20 minutes long, and use a viral shot that sparks a conversation, and that's how you're going to get all the subscribers that you need